Guys, we need to talk about developments in ApeCoin. In the last couple of days, you can basically see on the 1 hour chart, guys, that this has been going pretty much sideways for like a day. It did have kind of a parabolic run here from, the 19th. That was night my time. I noticed we had this big, candle here. Then we kind of went sideways. So basically, that's due to the ape chain. Um, Now, I did take this flag because technically we did form a bull flag. And so if I take this pole that we developed and put it over here, basically the target for ApeCoin is up here at about $2.46. Let's just say 250. We'll round it up. Now, there is a lot of resistances until we get to that point. Right now, we are actually working on a couple of weekly resistances here. So we'll see, guys. Maybe this is kind of the revival of ApeCoin because now everybody can see that ApeCoin is not dead. They actually did something. They made a chain. So it's, a new blockchain basically, and it's going to be easier to transact and send ApeCoin probably through their chain. You can stake on their chain, things like this. That's really, really great to see, guys. So yeah, I mean, ApeCoin is up about 25, 26% again today. It's really nice to see that, people just didn't, take profit and drop ApeCoin. I was kind of expecting that, guys. I was kind of expecting kind of like a rounding out here. And yeah, I mean, we got a breakout basically here at the last moment. If the momentum can continue, and like I said, $2.45, 250 or so, this is the target. But keep all of these, resistances in mind as we go up. It might be something like you want to take some profit. If you do that, you probably want to take it at the top of each of these resistances. Now, the weekly ones are more strong, and as you can see, we are dipping down again below this weekly resistance. Now, looking at this on the 1 hour time frame too is not the correct time frame to look at it. But, if we put this on the weekly time frame, yeah, you can see that we are coming up to this green line, getting resistance off it right now. So we could easily get resistance off this line as well. So totally up to you what you do when trading. But yeah, I mean, this has run up so much in the last couple of days. I do believe that we will see a lot of people start to take some profit here shortly. Anyways, guys, if we take a quick look at Bitcoin, I am on my second PC here. Basically, here's the bull flag. This is the biggest breakout we've had. It's not just a wick like you can see in these past weeks here. Basically, we consolidated for 7 months and we're starting to get a breakout, guys. So this is really, nice to see. And let's hope this can continue. Now, on the weekly time frame, we are down a little bit. If I put this on a daily time frame, yeah, we've closed basically a bearish engulfing candle from yesterday, but we are closing the CME gap right now. Take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. You can see that basically we are making higher lows. It's not a good thing really to see, especially if you're just an altcoin holder like me, myself. So, okay, in the last few days, we are starting to get a pullback here. This is nice to see, especially yesterday. Yesterday, it came down quite a bit. But yeah, we need to start breaking down, and making lower lows. So right now, still strong. It's kind of shocking to see it get up here to 59%. But that, it happens, guys. That's just the way Bitcoin is. It's unpredictable. So if we take a quick look at October, let me refresh this and see if it's still 7.7%. Let me scroll up. Okay. Yeah, still 7.7% for the return this month. I still think we're going to see a lot more in the next 10 days or so. believe we're going to see probably even another 10 to 20% more. Now, if we take a quick look at altcoin season, let's take a quick refresh here. Okay, still 31. Last night, I believe it was like 27 or so. So this is nice to see that we are up still. If we take a look at fear and greed, 72. Yesterday was 73. Basically because we're floating around the same area as we were yesterday. Economically, today is a dead day. Next 2 days are dead as well. So I'm not going to get into the calendar until maybe Thursday. Thursday and Friday, you do have some economic numbers coming out, but not important today to look at. Interest rates, 90% still believe in a 25 basis point cut. So about 10% believe no cut will happen. Crypto bubbles, guys. APE, like we're talking about, 26% up. Really nice to see. 70 to 80% of coins, it looks like, are up today. So that's really nice to see as well. If you want to stake your ApeCoin, go to Coinondo. And basically, guys, I am staking on BitGet. Now, BitGet isn't listed here. I don't know why they don't list it in here in Coinondo, but I get, I think, 12%, and it's a 14-day lockup period. So Bit2Me, as I've said before, you need to hold their token to get the full percentage here, and you need to hold enough of it, which is quite a bit. So, you know, it's kind of I don't know what we'll call it, but it's just kind of it's like a trick. If we look at it here, it says 24%. Yeah, not really. You might get like 6, 7, 8% if you just hold a little bit of their coin, something like this. It's up to you to look at it. XT, not bad, 16%, but 90 days lockup. So yeah, guys, scan this website. It will show you more possibilities, although BitGet is not here, and that's where I have mine. So anyways, guys, you know, keep this in mind, you know, these targets and these resistances and things. As we go up, the target is about 245, 250. Would be nice to see that once again, finally, with ApeCoin. I do think investors are starting to have more confidence after this ape chain, guys. Now we need the metaverse. If we get the metaverse, then you're going to see this really explode. This will be a coin that it's definitely a $20 to $25 coin, and maybe more, maybe 40 to 50 if we can get that metaverse out. That's my prediction for ApeCoin, guys. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys, for supporting the channel.